Hello students, good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. I am Rakhi, your English teacher. So today we are doing question B, page 13 of chapter 2. This is the last exercise of chapter 2. Now let's read the question. Change these statements into questions. Now statements are given to us and we have to convert these statements into questions. So let's start. Point number 1 is he is tall. Now this is a statement and we have to convert this statement into question. Now in our previous video we discussed about helping verb is MR. Now you can see in this statement helping verb is given to us. Now to change statement into question, we have to move this helping verb is to the beginning of the statement. What we have to do? We have to move helping verb is to the beginning of the statement and rest of the statement will remain same. So let's see here. Now is will come here. So is he tall, and in the end we put question mark. So question is like this: is he tall? This is the question. Now let's see point number 2. It is very hot outside. Now it is a statement. Now again you can see helping verb is given to us and we have to move this helping verb is to the beginning of the statement and rest of the sentence will remain same. So it will like this: is it very hot outside? Is it very hot outside? And in the end we put question mark. Point number 3. I am 7 years old. Now again am is helping verb here. So we will bring am here to the beginning of the sentence and rest of the statement will remain same. Now the question will be like this: am I 7 years old? And in the end we put question mark. Point number 4. My uncle is a tennis player. Now you can see helping verb is given to us. Now we will bring this helping verb is to the beginning of the statement and rest of the statement will remain same. So the question will be like this: is my uncle a tennis player? Is my uncle a tennis player? And in the end we put question mark. Point number 5. John's mother is a nurse. Again you see helping verb is given to us and we will bring this helping verb is to the beginning of the statement and rest of the statement will remain same. So the question will be like this: is John's mother a nurse? And in the end we put question mark. Next we have point number 6. It is 10 o'clock already. What is the statement? It is 10 o'clock already. Now let's frame the question. Helping verb is will come here in the beginning. So is it 10 o'clock already? Is it 10 o'clock already? And in the end we put question mark. Next we have point number 7. This is my dad's car. Now helping verb is given. It will come here in the beginning and rest of the statement will remain same. Now question will be like this: is this my dad's car? Is this my dad's car? And in the end we put question mark. Point number 8. My brother is having a pizza. Now this is a statement. Now in this statement you can see helping verb is given to us, and this helping verb will come to the beginning of the sentence. Is will come here. My brother having a pizza. So question will be like this: is my brother having a pizza? And in the end we put question mark. Now point number 9, 10, 11 and 12 is homework for you. That is all for today. Good day. Goodbye.